Making money online has never been easier, yet most people still struggle to earn anything. In this video, we'll break down realistic ways beginners can start making money online in 2026, even without experience or a degree. Most people spend months looking for shortcuts instead of building a skill or creating content consistently. The internet rewards people who solve problems, entertain, or educate. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook now allow ordinary people to build audiences and earn income. AI tools can help beginners create logos, write content, edit videos, and manage social media. Selling templates, guides, music, or ebooks can generate income repeatedly. Choose one niche, learn one skill, post consistently for 90 days. Most people quit too early. Consistency is the real advantage. The future belongs to people who learn fast and take action. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Future Talk Africa for more conversations about money, AI, and the future.